Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to share a project using Capcut. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Capcut and we do have a project open. And what you're looking for is on the right hand side. If you see the details panel here, then what you're looking for is the path. That is the main thing that you want to focus on. However, if you're not seeing that, then what you want to do is just kind of click in the open area here down in the editor, and that should come up. From there, the important thing is under modify is to make sure that this is set to copy media to project. It is most likely going to be defaulted on stay in original location. So you want to make sure that it's set to copy media to project and then hit save down there at the bottom. Once you do that, then that means that all of the media that's in the file, that's in the project here, is going to show up in the file once you go to export it. The next step is to find the file where it's saved in the path. And this is going to maybe take a little bit of doing because you got to go and search through your computer, but I'll leave that up to you. I have found the project here, and this is the original. What we want to do is create a copy, and then we want to zip the copy. You don't necessarily have to create a copy, but that's just something that I might recommend that you do. Once you have created a copy, you can then right click on it, and here where it says send to, you can send it to a compressed zipped folder, which I have done already, and you can see that we now have the zip folder here. From there, you can take this folder and you can upload it to either Google Drive or OneDrive or any other place that you might prefer to do that. You can email it if that's possible. And then that's it. You can send that to whoever you need to send it to, and you have now successfully shared the project. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.